Another interesting noise to creating a train is a slope noise. If you drag it in a graph, and as you can see, you can create simple slope. Here you can come and viewport setting and click and drag to change the lighting to better seeing that. As you can see, this is our slope, and it's very simple that you have to give it to the erosion to erode that to better create the train. I'll release it, and the favorite thing you can see, yeah, erosion here. And as you can see, it erode that slope. For example, the water flow at top from the bottom. Nice. This is an important note, but its own, it's very interesting. In a slope noise, we can change in its settings. As you can see, it does not have apply because it's real time can update. As you can see, you can make it a scale of this, change the scale of the slope. Nice. And you can increase or decrease the displacement. As you can see, you can no displacement or full displacement of that. You can change the direction of your slope, something like this. Directional slope. And we bring it to the default setting. Yep. And certified, it's add some flat area protrusions on a slope. You can see it better here. Nice. As you can see, it can add some protrusions here. You can change the direction to better see that. As you can see, we have a flat area certified. Now you can see it. So if you need to place some trees and other things, you have to activate this. And the seed is changing the randomness of that slope. We need this flat area to place vegetation if you want. Okay, this is a slope noise, and you have to connect it to the erosion if you want to become a natural slope if you want.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.